Hey, what's up everybody? It's Clayton here from Zappos.com, and today we've got the Darren Expandable Workbag, which, I mean, it says it in the name, it's expandable, it's got tons of functionality, and check it out, it's got tons of style. It's from Scully. Let's go take a closer look at it. This workbag is made from a few different materials. Got that hardy full grain leather on the upper, on the outside, and on the handle, just convenient carrying. And then you also have some very sturdy polyester materials, and of course, your super clean detailing in the leather and the metal zipper, which is going to be super high quality as well. Around to the back, got a convenient shoulder strap, a leather pad, keep it nice and comfy, and that durable polyester on the back, the leather strap for carrying as well, and then these metal pieces that you can actually attach to your upright luggage to keep it nice and secure. So as you can see, we've got two smaller pockets in the front with zipper closures. This one has that exterior zipper for added style, and of course that thick padding here for support. Pocket fills this area, and then the smaller one here for storing your smaller items as well. Then as we move to the next pocket on the top here, we've got a tablet sleeve, which you can see has that sturdy polyester lining. Can stay durable for a long time. Got nice padding in there for your tablet as well to keep it safe. Around to the back, we've got additional pocket back here. Got extra storage, same padding. Throw any item you like into there. And then of course, for the main compartment, you can store your laptop. It's got some decent padding in there, a few organizational pockets and slots, and one zipper pocket for some additional storage. And last but not least, we have a super cool feature, which is the bag is expandable. If you got tons of stuff you need to put in your bag, you need additional space, makes your bag a little bit wider and gives you that additional support. So if you need a stylish bag, that super durable, stylish feel, well, I think you should go pick this one up. Got it on Zappos.com. It's from Scully. See you later.